right, good morning, folks. Good morning to all the folks over there on the Facebook Live. Good morning to my brother Keith Cole. Good morning, Don T. The Duke, Sparky Melody, good morning, sir. Oh, people, I'm go fast with something last night and me not get back everybody. Realize I'm gonna have my Twitch people them. I try to figure it out. Can you give me a few more minutes? Let me figure it out before we get the music started. Oh, I see what I go on, people. I see what I go on. All right, let me try to correct this real quick. Alright, so I got back Twitch. Good morning to Imar Shepherd. Blessed morning to you, my brother. Let me just verify some about my Twitch people, them. Yeah, my Twitch people, them there. I know, say all of this because I'm going to try bringing in the TikTok people, them. Yeah, man, that try bringing in the TikTok people on this camera. Good morning to Melissa. Good morning, Ryzan. All right, so we're now gonna get the TikTok people in this morning. Not yet. Or can I try? Can I try? No, that's gonna take too much time right now. I can't figure that out on the go. It is time to get you ready for the road. Already 22 minutes after the hour. In fact, I have not brought in the Black Scorpio Enterprise people. Let me get them connected. All right, they're now connected. If it was only this simple to connect everybody. Let me say good morning to the folks at blackscorpioenterprise.com. Good morning to the folks on the Facebook Live. Good morning to the folks over there on the YouTube channel. What about the folks on Twitch and the folks on Mixcloud? Good morning to you too. It is another installment, Roddy for the Road. Getting you ready for the road. I'm your host, DJ Roddy G. And you know this is a Music Intense show. Yeah, man, Lady over there on Twitch. Pick myself in a Lady. Hey, you know, I don't know, so Lady celebrating birthday last week. Him do a little one post on Facebook, you know, but him do it so neatly that it all slip me Monday gone. What go on Monday? Oh, I wasn't here on Monday. Belated Earth Strong greetings to you, Lloydie. If I never said it before, let me say it now. And if I said it before, let me say it again. Big up yourself. So like how late, man, we just get straight into the music now. Yeah, man, we just get straight into it. No, my finger them not look coordinated this morning, people. We need for this say a prayer. Ask the Almighty to just bless this broadcast. That is a problem-free broadcast. But we got to get you up and going. Let's do this. Alicia Scott, she sings.
Hey world, now that we've got your attention, let me mention, in the interest of the human race, there's some things we've got to put in place before it's too late. Warning sounds are everywhere. Ones with power just don't seem to care. There's enough for everyone, but some refuse to share. Though we can't undo the wrongs that have been done. What's been done has been done. We can work towards a world that works for everyone. This is an emergency. Gotta act with urgency. No time for procrastination. There's so much to do. This is an emergency.
Good morning, Dante. Oh, you mean Lady? Get familiar with the internet. All four corners. At 7:30 on this Friday morning, the 20th day in the month of December. Just remember, it's all right to be yourself.
A different day, same story. I just can't see why someone always tries to show me what I'm supposed to be. It's all right.
I hope this is the one that Dante wanted to hear from start.
It's all right. It's all right.
I'm hoping this is the one that he asked for a request for a restart on.
It's all right. Here comes the ad campaign that's selling vanity. Somehow they always claim.
Yeah, lied him. I work on the two platform them.
Deep down they're all the same, moving commodity, trying to prey upon our pain and insecurity. And when everyone got something to say about your every move, like them I spy for you, just keep doing it your own way until you find your groove. I'm just reminding you, it's all right. Remember me tell ya. bag of things, some of them sit down chatting. Now mind them business, here one them watching. Link with the feds, all the phone them tapping. Them got so much things to say. Sell out Marcus, the star line I could do knocking. Sell out Jesus for the 30 piece. Vanity at the least, no events door them knocking. Grand what I meant, Chalice a steam up. Books I read up, education up on the flip side. Me say you to the rise and live up on the head. And if you dream up, me tell them say, split a bun. A Guinness a beat and me say on the wall, 1 foot go lean up. Younger generation don't get lost by the media. Wonder where that I go lead up. Heights a reference price me giving always. Guide us through the nights and the days. You don't give up no matter how the things set. Remember say we just going through a phase. Alright, over and over and over again. Some people have more to say than the books them. Same so them stay from way back when. No matter them, peace. It's alright.
From Third World featuring Busy Signal to Jesse Royal. This one, Jah will see us through.
If it is small as a mustard seed, can channelize all that you need. But you must know, not just believe, that Jah gon' see us through. Here comes your blessings, so you'll keep counting. Learn from your lessons and stop your pouting. Gotta feel it more than just your senses. And remember, Jah gon' see us through. Day by day, as I would say, give thanks and praise in some way.
Vibes definitely up this morning, Ryzan.
Can't pay on Saturday.
It is a Friday.
Just remember, Jah gon' see us.
And we got the backing of the Almighty.
Well, the road, man, I tried so.
Yeah, man, you can't take it for granted. Once he woke you up this morning,
Must in the power of
he's got you back.
we trust. Highly guide over us. Can't change.
So let's take it from start. Jesse Royal, just in case you're wondering if you have to take on this road alone, Jesse Royal is here to remind us, Jah will see us through in such a wonderful way. Good morning, Jadon. Yeah, man, just put a little tap in your feet, snap on your fingers, and a smile on your face, because you're reassured. You're above ground, and Jah will see us through. Jesse Royal, sing.
If it is small as a mustard seed, can channelize all that you need. But you must know, not just believe, that Jah gon' see us through. Here comes your blessings, so you'll keep counting. Learn from your lessons and stop your pouting. Gotta feel it more.
Good morning, my cousin.
And just your senses.
Mr. D'Souza, I see you.
Now Jah gon' see us through. Day by day, as I would say, give thanks and praise in some way. Found a phrase, can't pay on Saturday. Just remember, Jah gon' see us through. Yeah. Well, the road, man, I tried so. Treacherous to me now, shake, wobble, and get nervous. In the power of love and faith we trust. Highly guide over us. Can't change gear if you don't sing clutch. Your wheel out go wobble without the right lug. Can't say you're ready and still a old grudge. The dots will connect from your live up. Now love, let bygones be bygones, time can't be bought. Wasting it always add up to naught. Prepare your out and channel your thoughts. Siblings, some fight already got fought. Overstanding is all we need to really see what's in front of we. God will never give you more than you can hear. You hear, go tell mama.
Now sometimes I have to smile. I love how the Almighty use me, you know. I love how the Almighty just all use me for bring some song forward, you know. Can't listen to them song, yeah. I don't know when I come across this song, but I did. And today is a wonderful day to share it with you. I want to listen keenly, you know. I want to play it loud, you know. I want to play it proud, you know. Because you know Jah will see you through. Jesse Royal, one more time.
as small as a mustard seed can channelize all that you need. But you must know, not just believe, that Jah gon' see us through. Here count your blessings, so you'll keep counting. Learn from your lessons and stop your pouting. Gotta feel it more than just your senses. And remember, Jah gon' see us through. Hey, day by day, as I would say, give thanks and praise in some way. Pound a phrase, can't pay ounce a day. Just remember, Jah gon' see us through. Yeah. Well, the road man I tried so treacherous till we now shake, wobble or get nervous. In the power of love and faith we trust, highly guide over us. Can't change gear if you don't sing clutch. Your wheel will go wobble without the right lug. Can't say you're ready and still a old grudge. The dots will connect from you, live up in a love. Let bygones be bygones, time can't be bought. Wasting it always add up to naught. Prepare your out and channel your thoughts. Siblings some fight already got fought. Overstanding is all we need to really see what's in front of we. God will never give you more than you can hear. You hear, go tell mama, go tell papa, go tell my sisters and my brothers, go tell my nieces and all my nephews that Jah gon' see us through. Hurricane, bring rain when my leader weather can silence pain. If the sky work with personal views, with sunshine from here, rainfall for you. Nothing lasts forever, including sorrow. Today was yesterday's tomorrow. Good in bad, bad in good. Am I overstood? Planes ain't working, means uncertain. Always hurting behind closed curtain. Giving it your all, but you still fall short. Conscious of the job, but you still got God. Mickle make a muckle, but hunger a rot. I feel your pain, don't get distraught. Losing don't mean say you lost. Brush it off, brush it off, brush it off. Yeah, you know, in the struggle of life, you know, and yeah, I want you to know, say, from you stick to the right, you can't get left, you know. John and Dev, John and Dev.
Song for the world, sing. Now will we ever find peace here on earth in our time?
Hey, can I share a story with you? Sometimes when I reflect on my state of mind and my energy, just my presence. For those of you who believe in reincarnation, when I give that concept a thought, I say, well, if reincarnation is real, I never make it past my youthful stage, because even right now, in this body, in this frame, I still have the heart and innocence of a child, to some extent. No, man, I just have a youthful energy, a youthful happiness where if me there before, me never grow old. I might be an old soul, but I'm a youthful soul.
Here on earth.
And so I celebrate a song like this one, Heart of a Child. C sharp. Can you know the heart of a child? It might have full of folly, but it's full of love, same way. It's full of youthful exuberance. It's full of inquisitiveness. And it's full of innocence. It's just trusting, you understand? You really have to do a child something for the child to develop a sense of distrust with you.
Here on earth.
You understand? If spirit can't tell you say you're not good smarty, Yeah, man, if spirit can make you know, say, yo, go over there, so that's smarty, then I mean you're not good. But outside of that, you really have to violate a child if your child don't like you. You know, one of the sweetest joy for me, when me they run somebody, baby, and them just take to me. I just feel a reassurance, say, yes, Roddy, you're a good smarty.
Will we ever find
Anybody else get that feeling there?
on earth?
Well, alright, make you listen to C-Sharp. Take it from start. Playing some songs of rejoicing this morning. We are rejoicing a different way. We're just happy. It's the weekend, but we're also thankful. We give thanks to the Almighty. We're there.
Song for the world. Sing. Now will we ever find peace here on earth in our time? And should we lose direction, will there be a guiding light that shines? Right now we're losing patience, so do we really have to wait our turn?
Big up Dante.
I hope these aren't just questions, but we'll find the answer here on earth. Say, 'cause I just wanna be free as an eagle.
Good morning, Lady Joan.
High over the
Miss Martin, come remember, so we have Joan Finn letter too, you know.
rainbow.
So gotta say good morning to Miss Martin.
We'll find love. No one ever dared to divide us. There'll be joy overflowing
with joy.
like the heart of a child.
Now am I just a dreamer, or it's just illusions in my mind? I know that I'm not crazy, nor is my emotions growing wild. But each time I close my eyes, I see you suffering day by day.
Come on, say we don't have to be this way. 'Cause if each man tried to make the change, open up your hearts, let's rearrange this world.
This world can be a better place for you and me.
I say 'cause I just wanna be free as an eagle.
Hey, soaring
High over the hills to the end of the rainbow. We'll find love. No one ever dared to divide us.
There'll be joy overflowing.
Flowing with joy like the heart of a child.
Soaring high. I just
Say we
wanna,
gonna be free one day.
I just wanna be free. Wanna be free.
Hit me from the top, crazy motherfucker.
They say we tipsy, I'm free like gypsy, no.
Hit me from the top, crazy motherfucker.
It's a caution, I send a warning. So let me lead the rebellion. 1 billion soldiers full of conviction, determination to rock the nation. Caution to each and every nation. This is an invasion of the next generation. Diamond can't polish without some friction. Don't confine the children. I do and I don't understand. Oh no, who got the master plan? Who knows? No bees, no honey, no work, no money. Shoulders to the wheel and let's get going on. Yeah.
Free from what you want me to be. Yeah, I wanna be free, yeah. Free to be the best I can be. Yeah. If I could take it from the top, the world would be shocked to know.
No, I ain't giving no.
Take it from the top. How about you and I shock the world?
Here I am, walking down the street, and the children, everything is so sweet. Do
always for her children. I've seen the contrarian situations. Get her dreams dying each and every day. The support from the family around the way. I look up my desire, say this can be the way. For families I pray.
Yeah, yeah. I like it like that, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Everyone's feeling pretty. It's hotter than July. Though the world is full of problems, they couldn't touch us even if they tried. From the park I hear them.
Roddy G, baby.
Tonight there will be a party, woo, at the corner at the end of the block. You didn't know you'd be jamming until the break of dawn. I bet your mama never told you that you'd be jamming until the break of dawn.
Hey, good morning to Kerry Lopez.
Got to jam on. They want us to join the fighting, but our answer today is to let all your worries, like the breeze through your fingers, slip away. Freedom come to South Africa. Rastas ride on the one. Now's the time for celebration, 'cause we've only just begun. You didn't know you'd be jamming until the break of dawn. I bet your papa never told you that you'd be jamming until the break of dawn. Got to jam on. Well, Sammy Lion. One man, don't know.
Me girl them plenty like oxygen. Me and them coulda sip a couple supplements. And me love when the girls full of supplements. And them jump on rhythm with an excellence. We got no tolerance, no lenience. Just love and respect and obedience. Well, forget all of your grievance of economical inconvenience. 'Cause I'm put a shot of a 20 cents. Well, the music current like current events. Just give Stevie Wonder me compliments. 'Cause it transcend among all the continents. And the look where the world experience. Well, let's not fight again.
Jump back, party on the block. Stone love.
Roddy G, baby.
People are drive past and stop. Big tune and play DJ. Pull up, chop, 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 good clash. Shawty looking hot. Frankie D jeans, Gucci, Alta top. Every man clean. Roots wine on the rock, champagne up, pop. Come on, it's back to the spot. Hear that?
I remember wasn't so long ago. We had a one-room shack and the living was low. And my mama by herself raised me and my bro. Wasn't easy, but we did it with a little bit of flow. Worked hard, got us up to school every day. Kept our eyes on the stars till the skies were gray. Gave us drive to survive, really showed us the way. Now I really understood what she was trying to say. She said, son, there be times when the tides are high. And the boat may be rocky, you can cry, just never give up. You can never give up. In this life you can lead if you only believe. And in order to achieve what you need, you can never give up. You can never give up. And this hope that keeps me holding on. And on. And this hope that makes me carry on. Homegrown, couldn't have made it alone. I got a wonderful life, 2 kids of my own. With a strong foundation that was carved in stone. Now my mama, father, love that made my house a home. And they wonder sometime if this was meant to be. All this for a humble little guy like me. And all I ever really wanted was a family. To teach my kids the same value that she gave to me. She said, son, there be times when the tides are high. And the boat may be rocky, you can cry, just never give up. You can never give up. In this life you can lead if you only believe. And in order to achieve what you need, you can never give up. You can never give up. And this hope
Just about 3 minutes, make that 2.5 minutes before we hit that 8 o'clock mark. And listen, I don't come for preach this morning, you know. I'm coming to you with love in my heart, with joy in my soul. And you understand, just a good feeling this here Friday morning. But a thought crossed my mind just now. I had a thought just now that it is the season where many people get depressed. You feel pressured because of the expectancy of others. People are expect gift, they might expect your time, they might expect your attention. And it can be burdensome for many people. I know some people feel pressure when certain special occasions are come forward. Because I know the family have them expectations and all these things. But, you know, this morning I just want you to just step back and reflect on the important things. Just reflect on the fact that you have family, that you have friends. And even though they might be disappointed, feelings come and go, you know. Yeah, man. You might have feel away in a moment, but then something else happens and your feelings change. So don't make it stress you. Don't make it depress you. Just communicate. You understand? The ones who love you will understand. Just communicate. Just reach out and say, yo, you know, say you're deep on my mind. And I'd love to be able to do X and Y, but certain circumstances prevent it right now. So even though it's the season, I'll usually make the extra effort. Just believe it, say in my heart, I want to make the effort. But in practical terms, it not go happen. It's going to be a detriment to me for put out that extra effort there, but I know so I can make it up to you down the line. And they will understand. As in fact, that's how me feel, because if me reach out to my friends and family and say, alright, circumstance beyond my control, it just don't make sense to try to do that something right now, me expect them to understand. And conversely, if somebody reach out to me and say, Roddy, you know, somebody promised you to do something from way back when, but I'm going to try to make it happen at this time, but it still not work out, I say, alright, just go and do your best. That's all you can ask for. So don't make the season stress you, alright? Another thing more I say about the season, you know, I'm not coming for preach neither. I'm not try to dissuade nobody from the beliefs, but why do we allow people to brainwash me in this thing here? Why? That's a wonder. You don't know the truth, don't. So why can't you perpetuate a lie? You know, so I come across something, because I like my TikTok, you know, I like how the little FBI agent in my phone figure me out. And he bring me content to continue challenge my mind. It a challenge the way I think and my perspective on certain things. And so, I come across a little thing the other day. Where make me really reflect on why people want to allow people to take you out of season, take you out of rhythm with Mother Nature. Take you out of season, take you out of rhythm with the Creator. Because before I saw this thing on my social media feed, from the other day, I tell a friend that you see from September step in, from October step in, is a different feel. The sun touch you differently. We get a spirit of freshness, a rejuvenation. I wonder why it is that we make certain people tell you some other different thing when your spirit, when your body, when Mother Nature tell you say, this is the cycle. You don't know what I talk about? Reason about it the next time. This morning we just give thanks to the Almighty. We are above ground. We're good. Luciano, just like the wind. When last you hear that one, then tell me. Hey, good morning, King Malakia. Good morning to the iconic Jack Scorpio. Jack, you there? I see some people are healing up, I don't know. Let me see if Jack step in our room. Good morning to Nikki, Mrs. Reed's mare.
Many are falling out of place, getting caught up in the eating the tea. Together we'll go until tomorrow. It's time to go. We didn't come here to turn wood and stone, and the earth is not a permanent home. We're only here on a pilgrim journey. Say today we're here and tomorrow we may not be, may never be. So do the good you can and you will find. You can attain a peace of mind, just like the wind. You will come and go, staying a while on the face of the earth. Eating the tea, together we'll go until tomorrow. It's time to go.
Tune into Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise. Tune in to Jack Scorpio Live on Thursdays at 12 to 4 p.m., Saturdays at 10 to 2 p.m., and on Sundays 2 to 6 p.m. And tune in also with DJ Roddy G Live, weekdays Mondays to Fridays 7 to 10 a.m. And with JB on Sundays, who plays the classical hits to take you away from 11 to 2 p.m. In addition, want to promote your business, a new single, or anything musical? Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise will feature your ads. This is the place. www.blackscorpioenterprise.com.
Lovebird Records presents the newly released tribute album from Keith Cole entitled Rock With Me.
Rock with me, baby. Rock with me, baby. Rock.
It's 13 tracks including the astute cover of Delroy Wilson's Who Cares?
Who cares? Who was right or wrong? Right.
Keith Cole also sings homage to Jabi Bunny Wailer.
How does it feel to have been on the ballroom floor?
This newly released 13-track tribute album is readily available in record stores and on all digital platforms. It's the brand new album Rock With Me from Keith Cole. Pick up a copy today and help play tribute to these icons in reggae music.
Rock with me, baby. Rock with me, baby.
Yeah.
Rock with me, baby.
All right, that takes our time now to 5 minutes after the hour of 8 o'clock. We're going to go into a reggae segment. And this Friday, let's go play some tune. We're going to play some tune we might not play a long time. We're going to play some tune where you're very familiar with, some of your favorites. We're just going to have some fun with the music. And we're going to kick it off with a song that was brought to my attention by one of my favorite DJ, them big up DJ Kurt Riley. Kurt, I know you owe me the international herb. You understand? People even have one piece of song in my work, and say, man, hey, the song bad like out a road. You understand? And so, yeah, anybody know Kurt, just tell Kurt, say, Roddy, over here, still a wait upon the song. Don't forget, say, your promise to send me to once it mixed and mastered. I don't know it takes so long to get started out. Don't forget your promise, Virgin. But this morning, we will say some more reggae music, and we're going to kick it off with some of my favorites. You understand? This youth here, as I said, is a song that was brought to my attention by the great Kurt Riley. Bust that tune, and when the man they bust tune, it bust big, you understand? Some DJs take it up and run with it. I'm one such DJ because I listen to music and I say, yes, that song I did bad from them time till this time. This is the sound of a virgin named called Roddy G with a song named Physical. Take a listen.
She love her. She always love the Congo Kushaya. Na 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 na.
Good morning.
Na na na. Baby, I always wish to see you in my arms in the morning.
Roddy G is your morning man.
She love her. She always love the Congo Kushaya. Na 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 na.
Hey, Roots rocking reggae music until 9 o'clock.
Na 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 na.
Sounds of Roddy with a tune called Physical.
Baby, I always wish to see you in my arms in the morning time, and I will always share my joy with you. I really wanna take you to places, make you meet so many different faces, and interact with so many races. Baby girl, you know what the Congo base is. I really wanna make sweet love to you. Roy's gonna turn the gray skies to blue. I really wanna hold you and squeeze you and kiss you, baby. Let's get physical. I really wanna hold you and squeeze you close. Oh baby girl, my love coming at your full force. I ain't the man taking off your clothes, so let's get physical, baby. Baby, each time I look in your eyes, you keep I mesmerized. I tell you are the only one in this world for I, and that I can't deny. You're so charming with your smile. Your radiance pull me close all the while. I am thinking man, love you every time. So let's get physical, baby. Rastafari keep it real, so baby girl, my seed you shall receive. Caring and sharing, that are the real deal. Me not too big for help you prepare the meal. The whisper shite, the pan your back of feel. Empress Menen, I got to tell you how I feel. Yo, you give me strength to put the shoulder to the wheel. Oh baby girl, it's a raw to the deal. I really wanna make sweet love to you. Roy's gonna turn the gray skies to blue. I really wanna kiss you, squeeze you and hold you, baby. Let's get physical. I really wanna hold you and squeeze you close. Oh baby girl, my love coming at your full force. I love the man taking off your clothes, so let's get physical, baby.
Every day, oh well, you all on my mind. I searched for a while, oh Lord, oh girl, this is the love I search to find. Yes, it wakes me up so early in the morning. Unto me it's like a breath of life. Well, yes, this is what a king man really desire. A princess and a lover and a wife. Oh, I wanna be wrapped up in the arms of a woman. Whoa, I wanna be wrapped up in the arms of a woman. Whoa, I wanna be wrapped up in the arms of a woman. No beyond woman. Whoa.
For the moment you're feeling right, yeah, the moods and the tides are high, yeah. Say you never knew it, say you never knew it till a Rasta man come in your life. For the moment you're feeling right, the moments and tides are high, yeah. Say you never knew it, say you never knew it till
Roddy G,
come in your
baby.
life. I pay no dues, I send no rose to you. I make myself most available. So when you see me, you could look into my eyes. I tell you the truth and I will never say a lie. All years of your life, memories on your mind. For the moment you're feeling right, the moods and the tides are high. Say she never knew it, say she never knew it till Hollywood come in your life.
When you told me, baby, that you love me, I knew it wasn't true. There was a look in your eyes, I'm telling you. Oh God, it wasn't cool. You stuttered the words and then knew I had to let you go. I know just what I had to do. But listen, babe, for a while you really had me.
the guidance. I'll never say what they daddy just say. For Emperor Selassie, I trust and obey. Rasta words of his substance. I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. Cause Rastafari give her the guidance. I'll never say what the wicked heart say. Neither will I walk in the council no day. All the eyes be no God. So mythology and illusion I'll be always burning. Corruption and confusion will be shown in the ash bin. Can't fool the Rasta man with your false doctrine, your false teaching. Oh, what a justice in disguise, it's salvation that is seeking. From the throne of David, yeah, it's obvious that is drifting. You have no respect for the king of all kings, so his name I'll be always exalting. Shuba, 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 shuba day. Shuba, 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 shuba day. Shuba, 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 shuba day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now, no real man can live without a woman. Like night to day, says a woman to her man. Shuba, shuba, good morning. Shuba, shuba day. Shuba, 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 shuba day. Shuba, 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 shuba day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now, no real man can live without a woman. Like night to day, says a woman to her man. She's essential to his purpose and his mission. A good woman is a glory to her man. She'll never take the power, she'll just make him a better man. Every great man has a virtuous woman. Woman, you say you love me, you never leave me lonely, yeah. You always be there for me, so need not to worry, yeah. Woman, to keep I strong, which is part of your plan. I'll leave my mom and dad, find a woman and be one. With a woman I make my bond, perfect combination. I am a black man, so I love me black woman. Woman, I give me this sweet, sweet love. Oh, oh, any time of day. Yeah, lots of kisses and hugs. Oh, I burn out of yeah. No real man can live without a woman. That night to day, says a woman to her man. And so it's essential to his purpose and his mission. A good woman is a glory to her man.
Throw away your foolish pride. Right now, let true love take over. If we follow what we feel inside, then we'll be together forever. You can't run away and hide when love sweeps over your soul. Now I just can't change the way I feel about you. My greatest wish is to build my world around you now, baby. I wanna take you home and give you my love forever. Baby, let me take you home. Without you, my life is over. I wanna take you home and give you my love forever. Baby, let me take you home. For several, I know we will never.
The more she gets, is the more she wants. Yes,
Roddy G is your morning man.
you are for love forever. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The more she gets, is the more she wants.
Just can't satisfy.
Yes, the more she gets, is the more she wants.
Just can't satisfy.
So I got to give her Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, anytime, any place, anywhere, when she need it. Oh, keep
Well, now make them stop your flow, oh, oh, oh. Progressive and your little need to grow, oh. Now make them come stop your flow, oh, oh. Kelly tell them, don't them no, say. Now make nobody tell you you cannot make it, them wrong. Just hold on upon His Majesty and be strong. Now make nobody tell you that you cannot make it, them wrong. And no fat will up in a sinking sun. Now make nobody tell you that you cannot make it, them wrong. Bang, biddly, 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 bang. Remember, faith is all I know. John try it from it tickle and I grow. Me nah no time for see down linger, nah no time for take no care. Remember doubtful Thomas never reach nowhere in our life yet. I will heap a time me face, I will heap a disrespect. Turn me eye to the Father, ask Him a what make. When I too me ambitious, make them see me as a trick. Me and no bum nah go flex, me and no cup nah go slip. Your share a your share, my share some one take. And that's why them like up in a mess. But don't.
Now the fool is sitting in the land that there is no God. Corrupting all the family who grew down this thing. Shall forgive the Father, don't know what they have to, we not saying. I don't want to be left out. I don't want to be shut out of Zion. I don't want to be locked out of Zion. I need Janine, to live in this love and feel alone at my tent. Jah alone can keep my satisfaction. Keep my satisfaction. Fill my heart with love. Jah alone can keep my satisfaction. Fill my heart with love.
Only believe. Only believe. Yeah, you're listening to Roddy G. So stay tuned. You hear? George Nook said that.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Forgive the Father, don't know what they have to, we not saying. I don't want to be left out of, oh no, Zion, yeah, no, that might change. I don't want to be shut out of Zion, yeah. Oh,
And shout out to the man Bedan Stone. He's on the check-in. Good morning to the lady Simonese.
I need Janine, to live in this love and feel alone at my tent. Jah alone can keep my satisfaction. Keep my satisfaction. Fill my heart with love. Jah alone can keep my satisfaction. Fill my heart with love. Nothing is wrong with your name. Everything is perfect. Alone up by and it leads you away all day. The birds and the puppies in a good place of rest. Good place of rest. And even the waters flow. Way beyond the rocks and the hills and the mountain. Hear me say now, Jah alone can keep my satisfaction. Keep my satisfaction. Fill my heart with love. That's the flow. Jah alone can keep my satisfaction. Fill my heart with love. Oh yes, oh Lord, since you've been gone, I'm so lonely.
You know, say from Rise this morning, I know say this morning was going to be a special one. Musically speaking. But just feel it this morning, said this morning we're going to be a special set of selection, you know. And if you love the selection them so far, just say, go on, Roddy. You understand? Just drop a comment like, oh, better than mash up the text line right now. We still a celebrate. I'm Earth Strong Week, you understand? From Monday, from the month start, I can guarantee that Bedan has been looking forward to the day when him can say, yes, at the anniversary of my birth, you understand? And we're there, we are celebrate today, we are big him up, see him, we big up all of the December born people, them, you understand? Yes, I big up everyone who lock in right now. Come and say this morning, what we say is a different set of music we are playing this morning. Now we're full joy the morning, musically speaking. So take that one there from start.
Oh, yes. Oh, Lord. Since you've been gone, I'm so lonely. Since you've been gone, I'm acting kinda crazy over you, girl. Over you, girl. Oh, well.
Let me know what is going on in our lives. Oh yeah. If you hold on to a secret, I would like to know. You make me a promise that this love will grow. They say that a promise is a comfort to a fool. Yet you come and disobey all my rules. Only a fool will be foolish enough to make it up. After all the things you've done, might as well we break it up. You said it would be forever. I told you that it can never. Your apologies are no more accepted. No, I don't see the reason for us to sit down and talk it over. I can't take another day living in this way. You are a material girl, living in a material world. You are a material girl, living in a material world. Maybe you will leave me, maybe you will love me, 'cause I know that something is the matter, 'cause I feel danger in your eyes, telling me something's gonna be.
Roddy G, baby.
Girl, I know what you're thinking. Maybe you will leave me, maybe you will lonely, 'cause I know that something is the matter, 'cause I see the danger in your eyes, telling me something's gonna be.
No cold-hearted fools. Whoa, no. You always have nothing to give. No, that's not the way one should live. You're living in your selfish world. And no matter if you're a boy or girl, no, cold-hearted fools. Well, can you tell me what you've been fighting for? Is it material things or a necessary tribal war? Yeah. It's time for all these things be put to an end, and make one and all be friends. Oh yeah.
Been crying only inside a long time ago, 'cause I've been missing your love, woman. And I must let you know Am I running around searching? Running around and searching, searching. Still I can't find a woman like you. Oh yeah, honey, honey, a woman like you. Yeah, baby, up your love.
You know, so sometimes I feel one type of way when I play that song, yeah. Because I not discriminate, I not prejudice, but I have a little bias. No, I not tell no lie, I have a little bias. I have a little bias. Right, I know if my wife never walk in 3 o'clock this morning from our staff party, me that wake her up and, you know, make she forward on camera and make her know, say, boy, I love woman of all hue and all complexion, you know. But right, I know, I just want to big up the black woman. You see when Richie Spice dropped that song, yeah, we just celebrate that song differently. So all of the empress them, no matter the complexion, all of the empress them, from your there, you know, say you're royalty, from you know, say you live it up, from you know, say your heart clean, you know, how for honor man and your man honor you, just represent Panda one, yeah.
Hey, good morning. Up in a turban, I got a little skirt to wear.
No, big up Kerry K upon that one, yeah. Big up Kerry K, real empress.
She wanna expose her hair. She don't wanna use them skincare. She don't wanna. I love the way how she program. Her meditation so strong. What's a black woman, yeah.
Them junior can't play one time, them can't play 2 times. Play it a 3rd time, Roddy. So every woman on the live right now, you know you're royal, you know you're upful.
She don't wanna cream her hair. She wants it wrap up in a turban. I love the little skirt she wear. She says she loves it so long. She don't wanna expose her hair. She don't wanna use them skincare. She don't wanna. I love the way how she program. Her meditation so strong. What's a black woman? Yes. Girl, I'm
You know Queen. Me know.
Queen of the man.
Big up Kerry K.
Empress number one. Girl, I wanna be your lover, man. From the way I see you keep your skin tone, I know that you're not unbalanced. That's the way I know you rate your temper. You're an example. Woman, I see the beauty in you. I see your future in you. Woman, I see your light in you. I see true loving in you. What's a black woman? Yes. Girl, I wear you this land. A real woman, yeah. We love the motherland. Hey, Empress number one. Girl, I wanna be your lover, man.
Now the next one I love because he make a big collaboration with Caribbean neighbors. Bring in the Caribbean Queen in our reasoning now.
Girl, you are a queen to me.
Right now, if we big up man like Bed and Stone, you know, him there upon the Caribbean flavor lucky, you understand, as a Caribbean neighbor, him there support another Caribbean neighbor. Him could have there listen to anybody else, but him there listen to DJ Roddy G in Jamaica, you understand? And it's not even a Jamaica. Better than Jamaica, and one at a time we go through this already. We talk about this already. I'm just have something in the back of my mind and tell me, say, Bedan is from another Caribbean island. And so anytime him dep on the live, me have to represent for my Caribbean neighbor. So give me joy this morning for play that one, and a big collaboration. Richie Spice, Alice Hines, King and Queen. Listen music.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Girl, you are a queen to me, yeah. And I'm so proud that I'm your queen. You bring up visions to reality, yeah. And now we're shining like a star.
Oh, no think me a idiot. Oh, no think me a idiot. Oh, no think say me can do them juggling. I have big international recording artists for my life and I represent for the Queen right now. Me they are bigger up with our natural vibes, our natural energy and our royalty. I mean, I play a big tune from the Queen. Make me represent for the Queen in the realest way. Carrie Lopez, sing to them.
JKL.
Jesus Christ. Good morning, Queen.
Baby, I'm in love with you. When I look into your eyes, baby, I know there's a place inside your heart for me, it's sure. I
think it play loud enough a while ago. Let me turn up the volume on it. Let me put a little more volume on it. Play Kerry K loud.
Just be you and me, oh baby, baby. When I look into your eyes, baby, I know there's a place inside your heart for me. JK.
Hey, I hope you can't read lips, you know. I hope you can't read lips, because I just cuss a bad word. I hope you can't read lips. I don't want to know me cuss a big bad word a while ago.
Just be you and me, oh baby, baby. When I look into your eyes, baby, I know there's a place inside your heart for me. It's sure. I would like the whole wide world to know your love for me is unconditional. Your love for me is unconditional. Trust your words, your actions on me. I'm so addicted to your love, I swear. Expressions of feelings, baby, I know you care. We fight, we fix, we share our fears. No lies, no cheating, big ol' loud care.
Okay, looking at me, looking at me, looking at me. Sing to me, B. Unconditional B. Hey, big up Kerry Lopez. Hot Kerry K. And we still a circle the international circuit. We still a represent for Caribbean neighbors. Make we go over Guyana. Make we take a songbird from Guyana. Her name is Tamika Marshall. Listen to her song now.
First, let me start with some teasing. Let me excite you with some revealing. I'll turn the lights down. Can guarantee no need to frown. There's a chair that I placed in the corner. Why don't you have a seat? Cause you're in for a treat. Oh, baby, you're about to feel the heat. Now 1 step, 2 step, unhooking my bustier corsets. Anything that you want, you surely get. Hips moving slowly, garments no longer on my body. thing is yours, just make the call. Up against you, I'm rising, then I fall over and over until I feel there's something getting taller. Oh, geez, I could feel my knees go weak. There's no stability left for me. Although your hands were busy, you still
Roddy G, baby.
Joke down. You left the yard about 10:05. From you walk out, me no see you again. Me hear you have a catty down a cockburn pen, but me a try keep me cool. Healthy piece of food me cook for you on the stove. Father tell me why my boyfriend a lingo out a road. Right, you know my stress level a overload. Miss Campbell daughter no fool. Style me as your wife one too many time. Tonight no roads now calm down my mind. Me no want your love if I saw you design. Better you keep the girl where you want wine. You must be crazy. My good loving no lazy. Roddy G give good loving daily. Am have the right tools them for play me. Hey, this is your girl Sugar representing DJ Roddy G. Rocking the music every day. As all the chat me good and I got it, you know.
Thank you, Sugar. Thank you, my boo. Rocking you on a Friday morning, 14 minutes before we get to 9 o'clock.
Tell me, boy, you love me, I love me not.
Talk truth now.
I think you got the love thing done part. You take this for a joke thing down. You left the yard about 10:05. From you walk out, me no see you again. Me hear you have a catty down a cockburn pen, but me a try keep me cool. Healthy piece of food me cook with.
Voila. Bedan just mash up the juggling. Where you say Bedan sconte we? No, you need to send that in our. Listen up, you see things like this. Encourage me to make sure so I can get the audio in, you know, because right, you know, I bet on me 1 year say that, you know. When him say a while ago, sconte wheel. Bet on just mash up a juggling. All right, take it from start. Ready again, reset and go on again.
As all the chat me good and I got it, you know.
This is sound of my friend Sugar. Sugar to tune pan already me a phone.
Easy me a go on.
How y'all feeling this morning?
Tell me, boy, you love me, I love me not. I think you got the love thing done part. You take this for a joke thing down. You left the yard about 10:05. From you walk out, me no see you again. Me hear you have a catty down a cockburn pen, but me a try keep me cool. Healthy piece of food me cook for you on the stove. Father tell me why my boyfriend a lingo out a road. Right, you know my stress level a overload. Miss Campbell daughter no fool. Style me as your wife one too many time. Tonight no roads now calm down my mind. Me no want your loving if I saw you design. Better you keep the girl where you want wine. You must be crazy. My good loving no lazy. I'm not a side piece, I'm your lady. My love is not a game, don't pay me. You must be crazy. My good loving no lazy. Why would you want to betray me? My love is not a game, don't pay me.
Roddy G, been around and it's so crazy. Roddy G say it's so hard to find her. Whoa, yes. Roddy G tell her this. Don't need your loving girl if you're not serious. Oh, darling, don't need your loving girl. You're too mysterious. Oh, darling, I don't want no ice cream loving, cause that is too cold for me. Don't need your loving girl if you're not serious. Roddy G tell them this. I need a queen to call me king. Almighty law from beginning. Virtuous woman be me offspring. And I'll be the wind beneath her wings. Listen, me and her have to pray every day. And she have to loyal and astray. Stick by me even when the sky's grey. And if she not them qualities, they Roddy G. Don't need your loving girl if you're not serious. Good darling, don't need your loving girl. You're too mysterious. Ooh, darling, I know, I scream loving, cause that is too cold for me. Don't need your loving, cause I'm serious.
Oh, it's been a while since I found a girl like you. You stole my heart and brought me back to love again. Yeah. You're such a pleasant surprise, baby. I never planned for you. This energy, this chemistry, the perfect blend. Yeah. Where you smile when you're looking in my eyes, I'll be rubbing on your legs and your thighs. Direct messages and instant reply. It's more than just a vibe. So don't you let me go. I'm glad to know you're starring my show, and I won't let you go. You're my lucky charm, my peace and my calm.
What you wanna do here?
She wants dinner and wine. She wanna have a romantic time. That's what she loves. That's what she loves. She wants diamonds and rose. She likes to wear expensive clothes. That's what she loves. That's what she loves. I know your mama didn't raise no fool. You're as cool as you rule. Confident when you touch the road. You leave a loose lip girl exposed. Girl, you're perfect in every way. And you no matter what the others say. Because you know that you got it. You know that they want it. You wouldn't have it any other way. You want dinner and wine. You wanna have a romantic time. That's what she loves. That's what she loves. But she wants diamonds and roses. She's gonna wear expensive clothes. That's what she loves.
That's what she loves.
That's what she
can't.
The saddest thing of my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain. The saddest, oh baby, is when she left me with a broken heart. I was going insane.
Well, me can't believe she gone for real and I come back. The other ones them give me loving, but she give me comfort. Any man we get out and I return her back. One mind I say give up, and next one I say nah. I woulda never lied to you, I won't mislead you. I'm gonna fight for what
things I'd like to do.
Me want me do some things in all the past to grieve you. When you tell me you are gonna leave me, never believe you.
I cherish every moment that you're around. I might not show it cause I can't find words to say. I try to say I love you, but I get tongue-tied. I stutter easy word and fail in every way. I wish you would stay longer.
Just a little longer.
Bright up my life like Disney World would. I wish you would stay longer.
To make me stronger and stronger.
But just like magic, you were gone.
Oh man, just a little more time. Oh, the staying on me world, I want you brighten up me life. Make it glisten like pearl, just a little more time. Oh, the staying on me world, I want you brighten up me, brighten up me, brighten up me, brighten up me, brighten up me.
I'm about to drop one of my favorite Beresford Hammond's tracks. It's my favorite for more reasons than one. It's one of my favorites because it's Beresford Hammond. But most importantly, it's the cut of this song that I have that I don't hear many people play. In fact, you know, I'm gonna need everything silent because you see that cut here? That cut here just start different from most of the way I hear other DJs play that song here. And it just give me a special joy if you know, say me have this cut here. A long time I collect music, you know. And sometimes the producer then put out a cut of the music and then pull it. And really and truly, you kind of prefer the first version when them send out. You know, they might have a singles version and then them have an album version. And the album version mix kind of different from the single. You understand? I don't know what the circumstance is surrounding this version when I go play for no. But you see the way that version you start, I absolutely love the musical arrangement of it, the mixing of this song here. And so, let me play one of my favorite Beresford Amman Funo right now. You see how them just get at the highlight, nothing else back it, everything else strip away. Trust me. I know everybody me ear play. I don't know if them afraid for bring it in that way, yeah. But you see when you bring it in that way, yeah, the music just hit differently. Take a listen again and tell me if I lie, me I tell.
When you're gone for a day, it's like loneliness for a year. I guess that's fun as Kiru, baby. If you should go for a week, I'm afraid I couldn't speak. This loneliness would have me weak. I feel emptiness inside. Oh, baby.
No, talk truth. That mix no bad. Don't tell me if that mix no bad.
When you're gone for a day, it's like loneliness for a year. I guess that's fun as Kiru, baby. If you should go for a week, I'm afraid I couldn't speak. This loneliness would have me weak. I feel emptiness inside. Oh, baby, like loneliness taking a ride. I get broken up inside.
The man them just bringing instrument by instrument. Hands, vocals, drum, and then the bass.
When you're gone for a day, it's like loneliness for a year. I guess that's fun as Kiru, baby. If you should go for a week, I'm afraid I couldn't speak. This loneliness would have me weak. I feel emptiness inside. Oh, baby, like loneliness taking a ride. I get broken up inside. Michelangelo couldn't paint to describe. Yeah, I know your mama's longing to see you, your brothers and sisters too, yeah. I know you might even feel the same way too. And if I can't be without you for a day, 2 weeks would be too long. I'm afraid I might do something wrong. I feel emptiness inside. Oh, baby, my loneliness taking a ride. I feel broken up inside. Oh, baby, Michelangelo couldn't paint to describe. Yeah. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Oh, baby. Hey, when you're gone for a day, it's like loneliness for a year. This loneliness has me scared. And if you should go for a week, I'm afraid I couldn't speak. This loneliness would have me weak. I feel emptiness inside. Oh, baby, like loneliness taking a ride. I feel broken up inside. Michelangelo couldn't paint to describe. Hey,
Sometimes as a selector, as a disc jockey, you have to know when to present just the music. Sometimes you always want the people to dance, you know. But then you can always take a little break and just make them listen to some music. And see when the engineer put in them type of work up on the record, you have to make them hear and appreciate everything what that was put in to making this piece of music. You understand? And a whole heap of work going on this music. Yeah. Big up to the entire Harmony House. Big up to Beresford and the entire team from them time till this time. You understand? Nigel, big up yourself. Big up everybody over there. So Zane, yes I. Big up Medicine. As me say, big up the entire Harmony House family. But right now, we're up at 9 o'clock. So you know, so I gotta remind you, say, when you can spend some money with Black Scorpio Enterprise, you know. Yeah man, from when you spend with Jack, when I spend with me. So support the channel, support the development, send in an advertisement, them, you understand? When have a special promotional campaign, you know what undertake, make sure say Roddy G, make sure say Jack Scorpio is part of that campaign there. Just send in a little freckles forward and make we get the thing nice and active. Zine, send it to the world. So I'm just reminding you how that go.
Lovebird Records presents the newly released tribute album from Keith Cole entitled Rock With Me.
Rock with me, baby. Rock with me, baby.
It's 13 tracks including the astute cover of Delroy Wilson's Who Cares?
Who cares? Who was right or wrong? Right.
Keith Cole also sings homage to Jabi Buniwela.
How does it feel to have been on the ballroom floor?
This newly released 13-track tribute album is readily available in record stores and on all digital platforms. It's the brand new album Rock With Me from Keith Cole. Pick up a copy today and help play tribute to these icons in reggae music.
Rock with me, baby. Rock with me, baby. Yeah. Rock with me, baby.
Tune into Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise. Tune in to Jack Scorpio Live on Thursdays at 12 to 4 p.m., Saturdays at 10 to 2 p.m., and on Sundays 2 to 6 p.m. And tune in also with DJ Roddy G Live, weekdays Mondays to Fridays 7 to 10 a.m. And with JB on Sundays, who plays the classical hits to take you away from 11 to 2 p.m. In addition, want to promote your business, a new single, or anything musical? Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise will feature your ads. This is the place. www.blackscorpioenterprise.com.
All right, so we now have to tell you now again, this is the place. Make sure you support the channel. Make sure you support the development. You understand? Financially, we are talking to, you know. So make sure so we can there keep the lights on, because people, last 2 months light bill, no normal GPS love war going over here. So I tell you no joke. Them say, yeah, boss, I spend a little money, man. The boss, I burn little current. Me, I say, all right, big up on yourself. No one self thing I grow. You understand? Yeah, so you know, say take cash care. As small as the thing is, just make sure say 2 things more to do. Make sure say continue to grow the community, share the information, make them know so we're there morning time. Because believe you me, you know, and the writers all alone the music play. See when me step out in the street, you see my friend them over Sagicor, them know on the music. You understand? You know my friend them R.A. Williams, them know on the music. You know my friend them Latitude, them know on the music. Roddy G know how to present music and present new music. And me earn the respect at this point where people have to just relax and listen when me I play. Just like how now relax and listen when me I play right now. Don't say yes. I know every DJ not gonna sit down and allow them to just play where them feel for play. No, sometimes you're not going to find some places where you're not going to want to hear your favorite because you don't know say that DJ there over there, so I'm just going to play what the popular music is. You understand? But you're there so with me because you don't know say Roddy G know how to present music and present it in a way that it coming like you know it long time and you love it long time. Just like how the first time you hear that song, yeah, it's like me know it long time and I love it long time. So gotta send a big shout out to the lady Novelty. She dropped her album Survivor a few weeks ago. Out of that, pan we the people Wednesday hoped and jump in pan the live and him request that song, yeah. I never paid no mind when me get the album, but from him request it, me love it, and I'm going to share it with you again this morning. This is Crazy Love, Novelty, kicking off a different segment as we head down to 10 o'clock like this.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Crazy love. addicted to your loving. I feel I'm addicted to you. I feel I'm addicted to you. I feel I'm addicted, addicted to your love. Sometimes I wonder, I have to ask myself, why can I stop? But it seems I just can't get enough. Crazy love I've got for you, baby. Even though you treat me the way you do. Mad love, you got me going crazy with all of the drama you put me through. Sometimes I cry myself to sleep at night, wishing that you were here with me. Promises you always make but never keep. Is it too late? Am I in too deep? I feel I'm addicted to you. I feel I'm addicted to you. I feel I'm addicted, addicted to your loving. I feel I'm addicted to you. I feel I'm addicted to you. I feel I'm addicted, addicted to your love. Sometimes I look in the mirror and see someone who doesn't look anything like me. Crazy love I've got for you, baby. Even though you treat me the way you do. Mad love, you got me going crazy with all the drama you put me through. You don't deserve a girl like me. It's obvious, it's plain to see. But when I'm with you, you make me so happy. I'm living an illusion, living out my fantasy.
Baby, I know you wanna leave me.
Yeah, me love my woman and me give her everything. Big house and car and money and blings. Yeah, now she pack up and I run left the king. Yo, just watch it, make the singer come sing Ezra.
I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much to me. Ain't you?
I feel him and I Ezra.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Good morning. Yeah, me love my woman and me give her everything. Big house and car and money and blings. Yeah, now she pack up and I run left the king. Yo, just watch it, make the singer come sing Ezra.
I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much to me. Ain't too proud to beg.
Want to say Hopeton up on the live? Hopeton is my friend. Hey, Hopeton, want to go on my bridging? Yeah, man, that thing that we call you about is still up on my mind, you know. Just I need to get a little team together. You understand? Figure out how we're going to work together. Put a nice product to the people. Hopeton is my friend. I think Hopeton's platform is the same, is the first platform I'd have been on. Yeah, man, I Hopeton boss me on media, you know. Hopeton are the first platform I go behind a camera. Big up yourself, Sir Williams.
Man, I Ezra.
Baby, I know you wanna leave me.
Yeah, me love my woman and me give her everything. Big house and car and money and blings. Yeah, now she pack.
What's the cable channel? E Plus, is it 390 or 395? Where it go?
I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much to me. Ain't too proud to beg, baby, you know. Don't leave me, girl, don't you go. Ain't too proud to beg.
All right, lady.
Don't fit me. Girl, you are gonna miss me. Please stay with me. Ain't too proud to beg, baby, you know. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Ain't too proud to beg. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Now I heard a crying man is half a man with no sense of pride. But if I have to cry to keep you, I don't mind weeping if it keeps you by my side. Ain't too proud to beg, baby, you know. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Ain't too proud to beg, please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Friends and family, celebrate your good friends. Say family. Good friends, put your hands up. From you know you're genuine, just keep them up. When me say family, I know surely goodness and mercy. Let me tell you.
Playing this one for the Roddy for the road, family. You're real good friends. You're like family. Better than family.
Good friends, put your hands.
Hey, hold on there. I want to look into that, because them say good friend better than pocket money. You understand? And then them say good friends, you're like family. But guess what, sometimes your good friend them nicer than family because you never get to choose your family. You just have to love them out little inculcation where say are your family and you have to love them. But you see the ones where you choose to spend your time with, think about it. Think about it. You never choose your family, well, not consciously as I'm aware. But you choose your friend them. So I want you to look into that. Like this, I'm going to stop it talking and play the music.
Celebrate your good friends. Say family. Good friends, put your hands up. From you know you're genuine, just keep them up. When me say family, I know surely goodness and mercy. Let me tell you about my good friends. I love them. They're like family. When trouble comes, they're there beside you. Real friends. Always standing by, just like family. And when you win, they celebrate you. The friends that I can call in troubled times to help me clear my mind. Friends like those are hard to find. Happy faces, good times. When I'm hanging with these friends of mine, with these friends of mine. Well, tonight I just buckle and buckle, top shelf and we table. Celebration with my friends. Tell the promoter say no look, bring the bar, come out with foot. Celebration with friends. Elastic we bust when we party, we no bust blank. Celebration with friends. Only for money they up on the ground, we no have to go a bank. Celebration with friends. When we say family, the love come naturally. Good positive energy. We live life happily. Let me tell you about good friends. Oh yes, I love them. This one is for my lady. When trouble comes, they're there beside you. Real friends, always standing by. Just like this one is for my lady. I was born to love you and born to be loved by you. I'll protect you, baby, with my life. Always fighting for you. Riding with the times for you. Say a prayer for you every night. Just like the raindrops falling from the sky. To ensure that all the trees will never die. I'd like to think of you as a rose in my garden. And I'm the sun that gives you life. I was born to love you. For your love, I thank God every night. Born to love you. I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life.
Whether night or even day, I go walking on the pagans way. Them not like people. not like people. Whether night or even day, I go walking on the pagans way. Them not like people. Them white people. In a them time, your mankind not better than them. Better than them.
In a them time, your mankind not better than them. Better than them.
Shani say in a them time, your mankind not better than them. Better than them.
In a them time, your mankind not better than them.
But I look at the thing we nurture.
Else why no pagan do that turn me over.
Look at the thing we nurture.
Them bad mind.
Yeah, but I try watch over me. Discover I when I was nobody. When we couldn't turn to nobody fear. Jump boss me globally.
They give them the soul for keeping all the nigga of the life and every soul asleep. Them all report me life like a folder leaf. Them all
not alone, my friend. Them one life them said the same. Or if them are premature, the world 79. Or if them stick around, only just be the fed. Me friends, me I ask to know if me can trust to know. Y'all the veil, do not make friend do me like how them do garnet. Wipe it out when them planet. Evil people a chat for we planet. Friend them when no one a split none a chronic. When me see our friend do to bujo, don't hate me if me not trust no for uno. You sell them friend for your cup of ice water. Show them now.
Girl, give me your everything. Make you my everything, girl. Come wine pon the thing. You a bust them ass street, girl. Wine and go up on the thing. Climb and go up on the thing, girl. You have every man a street.
I liquid and I shine is the one that get for the girl living up.
Every girl, what's a wine? What's a wine? What's a wine can double up same time? What's a wine? What's a wine?
I liquid for the girl I'm getting up. Jump.
Bust a walk and then you bust a wine. That you know ugly like Frankenstein. Love how you bubble and do it one time. Back it up and a man embrace. Bust a wine like your thing a squeeze you. That tight one make me need you. You have a flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no see no girl out the believe you. Girl you
Lord girl, Mr. G.
No, love us, hey.
I liquid and I shine is the one that get for the girl living up.
Every girl, bust a wine. Bust a wine. Bust a wine can double up same time. Bust a wine.
I liquid for the girl I'm getting up. Jump.
Bust a wine and then you bust a wine. Girl you know ugly like Frankenstein. Love how you bubble and do it one time. Back it up and a man embrace. Bust a wine like your thing a squeeze you. That tight one make me need you. You have a flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no flop belly but me woulda breed you. Me no flop belly.
From you know your belly no bang and you know say you look good in your thang, girl. Out your belly look clean and you know you fit feed a magazine. You see, from you know your belly no bang and you know say you look good in your thang, girl. Out your belly look clean and you know you fit feed a magazine.
It's all because of you. I never said and no. You came my way. Now my life is like a sunny day, and I love you so.
I know
how much you'll never know.
Trust me, I know.
They'll never take your love from me.
Girl,
I hear you calling. Here I come, baby, to save you. Oh yeah. Baby, no more stalling. Yeah, these hasn't been long to touch you, baby. Oh, now that you've come around to see it in my way, you won't regret it, baby. No way. And you surely won't forget it, baby. It's unbelievable how your body's calling for me. Yeah, 'cause I can just hear it calling me. Your body's calling, yeah. Hear it calling me. Your body's calling for me. Your body's calling me. Your body's calling for me. Calling for me. Your body's calling.
is it my turn to wish you were lying here? I tend to dream you when I'm not sleeping.
it my turn to fictionize my world, or even imagine your emotions and tell myself anything? Yeah, is it my turn to hold you by your hand? I tell you I love you when you do not hear me. Whoa. Or is it my turn to totally understand, to watch you walk out of my life and not do a damn thing? Whoa, if I could give away the feelings that I feel, if I could sacrifice whatever, baby, if I could take apart all that I am, is there anything that I would not do, since I would die without you?
They just gotta go for the girls, them. Watch the world, the government. Government himself in person. This is my person. Hey, over me, out and road, enough gal a mad over me. Out and road, enough gal and then over me. Out and road, enough gal a cry over me. Lad, me baby mother say me bad, me too 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 bad. How much gal alone me alone want have? Make sure you put the same thing in a bag. But you need a but you know how to do it. Never do a job and left it incomplete. Put you one time there, your girl spread out like shit. I tell it's vital, so a full concrete. It's a girl's body splash. Wake up, all girls on body bones. It's put you one down with bones. Watch you know. Wash off your body, girl. See ya. Water man, me do the water walk. It's a girl's body splash.
After all, it is a Friday. Don't forget the party vibes, you know.
Watch you know. Wash off your body, girl. See ya. Water man, me do the water walk. Water runs me drive the water choke. Come again. Water man, me do the water walk. Come from. Water runs me drive the water choke. Nicky come check me know where she are. Fed up on the man, the way I fed up on the man, the way I fed up on the man, the way I. Traction we use up the tooth. She tell Patsy, y'all say me cool. Good exercise when I sit down in a. Touch her the right place, she lose control. Not right and deal with our soul. But just circle Carol and alright.
No, man, never say nothing, lady. Man, never say nothing.
I'm in 7 years of
you know how it go.
Darling sick just to enjoy. See a Christian to make you backslide. Deacon one take up on a jar ride. You see the bandit leg you have the side. Make when man see you them a.
It's a day, yes you too. I'm not happy, I'm not happy. Make your man see the pretty big.
No, Joan know how it go. Joan knows that she run the world. How it go, Joan?
Look at the. It's a day, yes you too. I'm not happy, I'm not happy. Make your man see the pretty little bend down. And the two make your bumper touch the ground. That's all you can go on. It's a day, yes you too. I'm not happy, I'm not happy. Make your man see the pretty little pretty. And the two make your bumper touch the ground.
Make sure you can't handle it. On the left and him say, oh. On the right and him say, oh. Mark, so me do it. Want make it so sweet. So again him say, oh. One side and balance it. Watch for me, come make him glance it. Me no worry about no gal out the road. Me have the best in the world. Them to know. Say I want man.
Mighty protect the Lord will not forsake him. Jana go make me suffer by the hand.
Good morning.
So they need them and get we no care if they hate me. No, our God not forsake me. Jana go make me suffer by the hands of the wicked. Follow me now. Me say them want to be things them know them can't. Can't do me not because enough psalms you chant. The Lord's my shepherd, I shall not want. Jamaica reap the blessing cause of good deeds you plant. He maketh me to lie by the still waters. Just protect me from all perils and disasters. Yeah, though I walk to the valley of the shadow of death, no time to go.
I'm on the go, but bad man I try to stop me though. I'm on the go, yeah. Tell me what coming up off the show, yeah. I'm so special, so special. That's why I'm That boy I pretty me girl and they want chase like petal. Tanja, I'm so special, so special. Telling me no, tell her two-faced expression, guy for no dirty mouth can't chase nor they tell me hear them shot. And I said them want me head pan black nuts. Me burn the fire till it's red pan that you better. Help poor people with them bed pan that. They say see a dirty heart you a go dead from that seat. Now them a say me mark for that and each time I walk them say me walk for that. You see them lock me down and me can't forget.
Nothing to us now, they say. So all them attack, man a step up. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. When the star boy walk, man a step up. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. Coulda day, coulda dark, man a step up. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. The girl never buy out no chart. Me know better. Catch up them a play, man a pepper.
Well, I'm a say
Brahma, me hot for them. Them a use some style is not good. The girl never gone. Me back for them. And me terrifying like the Nazi them Steve. Them change up, me no want see them. Me a look and can't see them. This whole world know me a the boss for them. Tell them pass me them. Tell us
well,
me
I'm a say
them.
nothing at all them can do it. Hear me no nothing at all them can do it. Yo, Frisco, nothing at all them can do it. We hate them lock off when evil talk to him. Genius. Not a rifle, no shotgun, no one pop. Not a oil, not a powder, no hand clap. About one stop, I try make me van stop. I say them want set me low, them set the wrong trap. Put up your one, them if you know, say this song track. They make your finger like a gun and bust a one shot. No papa, your shot, I wait for see man drop. Them swear is a bulletproof vest, but it's a tank top. Nothing at all, them can do it. My sister, nothing at all, them can do it. Your big shame, nothing at all, them can do it. We hate them lock off when evil talk to it. Hey, those nothing at all, them can do it. Elias, nothing at all, them can do it. Yeah, Gino, nothing at all, them can do it. We hate them lock off when evil talk to it. I'm on to nothing, can't touch a button. Evil drop down anytime the Bible open. Oh, me say nothing, can't do we nothing. We nah be no lamb to no slaughter, we no button. Oh, not a thing, oh, not a thing. No, we no matter about no word, them a fling. Me say no, not a thing, hey, not a thing. No, not a knife, not a sword, not a pin, not a pin. Well, everybody carry on. Let me see, and it's a spade and carry on. Yes, everybody carry on. Let me see, and fit on and carry on. But it's a big up every massive and we big up every crew. You know, so nobody now have swagger like you then.
Good morning.
And it don't really matter if it's only your 20. From your nose to your pocket, them no empty. On the party, everybody have to look you up. The kind of you want you up, grace on your foot then. And all the gangsta them in the place, you don't come to war, so you not have it in your waist, but it's truly in your car, so you hear me. And all the ladies them in the place, you looking fine. Me love me soon in the dance hall, we no wine, but no just. Jump the fence and find a way to come in. I big up everybody who come in. What you just dance to me? What's your gallery address? So get a buckle or something, get a glass or something, get a crate or something, you get a flask or something, get a soda, get a beer, get a water something, get a gallon, get a pint, get a quart or something. Oh, you not figure hard, you can't start or something. You done the rum and all the chase, I know you're short or something. Wait, let me tell you about real fast or something. Flip them up for your harder one clot or something. So we a drink and merry. It's a speed and Dan Perry. Drink and berry. We mix it up from vodka with the cranberry. We a drink. You look good in the place. Wine, red wine, have a glass sherry. Drink and berry. We feel we look good. Girl, you swag turn up. When you wind up your waist, my girl, you sexy. Every man a pray you. Swag turn up. Ever clean and fresh, you a shine like a star. Everybody see you. Girl, you swag turn up. Rock out and wind up your waist. Hot like furnace to a blaze. Swag turn up. Girl, you want to make your booty shake like
Ready when you're ready, tell me when you want more. Feeling very sexy up on the dance floor. Fellas, if you with me, let me hear you say, hey, yo, hey, yo. Music up pump, we can feel it in our core. Find out the bar, as we ballin' for sure. Ladies, if you with me, let me hear you say, hey, yo, hey, yo. Cause it's a party, everybody party. Ladies grab a man and every man for grab a shot. Henny, Grey Goose and Bacardi. Man love me swagger and the tender said don't want me, yeah. And it's on tonight, body. Flashing lights. Tell me if you feel the vibe.
Hot girl
Tell
time
me
now,
if you
girl.
feel
Bust
the
a wine now. 1, 2, 3, 4, hot girls roll out. Just roll out, just roll out. Up 2, 3, 4, hot girls roll out. Take the mingle and just move your body, 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 move your body. No girl can't wine like me. No girl can't bubble in a this a stylish. No know how we tick-tock, drop it on the beat. I want the TEM, me a almost free. Center to center, snap on the beat. Me a bubble out a boy waistline on the beat. I who that a check them can go and preach. Cause me have couple style, me want teach. Bubble me a bubble, me no response to them. Cause me come here so fi party. Not in a friend, all who want kick up. Try no me no see them a just party. I want it girls who are
Roddy G is your morning man.
no, we not part like you. Who wants to so please don't shut up. We not give a damn, we not give a damn. Take the make and jam.
Girl, why not go down and make me tell you what we do. Do your thing in the mirror, me I look on you. Me not jail if you fuck my girl and come. Just jump on the bike, ride it out. Yo, me love when you the pot up and I do the belly wine. You a wine and you a looking at me. I see him time wine me and kill me that baby girl and no cry. This is so sorry. Some girl can't wine.
Back it up and the dumper jump.
Your body good from morning, and it a go stay so.
Good morning.
Miss you, me love you, my baby.
Girl, I force up, me no see them there. You know me love your smile. Me fi have you all the while. Girl, you too cute. Me and you look so right.
Oh, back it up and the dumper jump. Come round to the love start up. How you wine so you just can't suck. Who can't jump up, can't jump.
Set good like the ice in a freezer. What a body nice, you a sting like a bees, yeah. Visa ice make the rum flow easier. Tell me say you're lucky, make me get back me visa.
So you a run, go me just start up. As you reach, I you just one cut. Street vibes in a popcorn cup. Not nice, be my just park up.
Set good like the ice in a freezer. What a body nice, you a sting like a bees, yeah. Visa ice make the rum flow easier. Tell me say you're lucky, make me get back me visa. You love when me mind you and that sweet, yeah. You love get the shira and that sweet, yeah. You love get the money and that sweet, yeah. You love get nanny too and that sweet, yeah.
See the wallet, yeah.
Something in it.
See the money there.
Come here little bit.
See the wallet, yeah.
Something in it.
See the money there.
Come here little, come here little.
So you recognize that I'm the lady's choice. So they all come for me to chill them with my gangster voice.
Every girl, every night.
You know what I mean? So any girl think she can beat me. The road rough, tell her the road steepy. She think me sleepy. So them all come to meet me. Yeah, man a long distance to la. Man a long distance to la. Man a feed pambula. Man a long distance to la. 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 We love them, yeah. Man a long distance to la. Man a long distance to la. Boy of them gyal and never dead when she call. Them gyal a pretty boy a fi make them gyal a ball. Me a love the gyal 'cause you got it up in a stall. Me stick a down the gyal just like a piece up on a wall. Long distance to la, so you know say me no sad. Have the energy she coulda shot, she coulda died. Still I want the gyal them even when rain a fall. Nature, you are my baby doll. She hear me go all out, make gyal fall out. Gyal fall till fall out. She come in on me room, later she a crawl out. She get the sitting where come wall out.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but somebody let out the juggling beast from me. The juggling beast get uncaged. I don't. This supposed to happen for morning radio. Morning radio not supposed to sound so. Sound like on the club. I wanna drink. I can't coffee. No, I couldn't coffee or not drink with them juggling here. Let me check in on the text line. Let me see what I go on. Keith Cole said juggling sweet. I wonder if Facebook lock on out again. Got 10 minutes ago that, you know. Joan over on YouTube, she's good. Yo, let me see. Look like the Facebook family get locked up. I don't know. I don't see the comments are coming in. Oh, them there. Uno good. All right, uno good. Jaja. No, sir. Can't let out them animal every day, no. Can't let out the juggling beast every day. We're not gonna get confused. We're not gonna know when I'm morning from night. Alright, we could juggle. Since you don't like it, we could continue, no?
Representing E to the R, represent to the world. With all these girls, chop back, boom. Y'all a send text, say them want flex, including Zero Friday, Durex, make y'all press vex. Antoinette, tell me say she want her next. She rate me so much I only 5 ton X. Yo, them want to roll it, man. Them not care about y'all from me area and y'all from Montpellier. Skin catch a fire when them see me on the telly. Y'all a call the phone and say them want me secret admire. Click my finger, girl on the roll with me. Click my finger, click my finger. Click my finger, girl on the roll with me, yeah. Say them on the stroll with me, girl from all over the world in all the West Indies, yeah. Say them fall in love with me, I'ma click my finger, girl on the roll with me, yeah. Say them on the stroll with me, girl from all over the world in all the West Indies.
Thank you. No running, when you see the goddamn come in and the Hennessy you put on the scene. No running, when you see the money you come in, the Franklin face are the queen. No running, with that them know what we mean. Me no forget style when me clean. No running, you have your gun and your magazine. Me no fear no man when me see him.
Me night shot back.
Actually,
for me girl them, but can defend themselves and defend them man.
Girl, you don't know one bag of talking after you no go see clock. Girl, I should go for your man, the girl them must see frost. When you go fit, girl, you no go fit off. No chat like nothing, face you up. Mad you get mad the instant you are bucket off. Kill me to bring the war, you dirty water duck it off. Our life is like a utility service, you will shut it off.
You broke man pack it on.
Actually, no man can call you skits or sticky jiggy like him. You know I can borrow and beggy like him. You just swallow your belly, not dash your belly like him. No pay baby, I follow them from your pay. Come up your property, I wine call no you. I bite every night, I spit out and I chew. And the lie, the things I wrote, the river, so what the hell I do. If they brand with you,
Zaga, buffini, 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 my gal them, buffini, 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 my gal them, buffini, 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 gal them. Whoa, gal, all you must have a sound. We only have one man alone, and I'm not passing like a cell phone. You no come around, your legs you no lock the town. How you no country gal we just come a town. Got a long time you're there and you second down, and them can't pass around like merry-go-round. Now for you no clown, so you have the thing ready for the countdown. My gal you have your money, and credit on your phone. Boy pick you up and him now walk you home. I don't know now, gal you find your own taxi down. New York you shot me, you no shot downtown. Have you wanna sit and gal wine and go down. Show me your key because you have your proper home. No for cheat a man, you give your boyfriend cologne. Sit, turn around, gal all you support you must have a sound. We only have one man alone, and I'm not pass around like no cell phone. You don't come around, you lock your legs, you don't lock the town. How you no come to gal we just come a town. Got a long time you're there and you second down, and them can't pass around like merry-go-round. Now for you no clown, she have the thing ready for the countdown, the countdown, the countdown, the countdown.
I'm the girls and sugar that's all. I'm the girls and Congress a pass all bill for you. I'm the girls and sugar that's all. I'm the girls and Congress a pass. Man alone a push a hump in a yum. No bag of man nah jump in a yum. Kinda colleges na find a lump in a yum. No man never broke out no slump in a yum. All drunk toward and all him a bill for you. Insurgents them all a kill for you. Man all a take poison pill for you. Congress a pass.
Y'all tell me your fantasies. If you're good by your neck, me left 2 ickies. Wrong bang for your friend, but for you tickies. Make me enroll you in a me college. Graduate to professor, girl, give me knowledge. Down a nickel on the beach, now a small cottage. Make me use my bulldozer and block your passage. I just you on the eye, me no need baggage. Man, I text your pan phone, I leave this message. Them no want peace, and you them want the whole package. She just blow them away like a jet.
Now this is what it is. When a woman is sexy, you have to give her a compliment. There's someone that keep that in mind. If you don't love your mother, you can't love no woman. Just keep it in mind. That's a natural thing. See it? Alright. Anyway, the other night I walk a girl in a club. I wine and go down and I do the rubber dub. The way how she look me, I feel was a small love. She use her finger, me mouth where she rubs. Me have to give her me number 1 time. And store for your one in a me LG shine. If you think like me, you coulda try read my mind. But you tell me hold on because that's the time. You know if you wine, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, wine your waist to yard. You know if you wine, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, wine your waist to yard. You know if you wine, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, wine your waist to yard. You know if you wine, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, wine your waist to yard. It's up on me, bend down and wine and put them on me. Girl, the way you wine, put it up on me. tell me say she want a from me. She in love from she get the first cut from me. She would have dead if she never get the from me. Now she stuck from me like a now she put a big lock from me. Then she order the friends to put a watch from me. Girl, if them ever put a scratch from me when me a whole night she now no clock from me. Two lines of me ever make a from me. Girl commit suicide act through me. Truly, I chew me job in Julie. Too smart so them can't set no trap on me. Girl, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, you waste me, girl. You know if you wine, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, wine you waste me, girl. You know if you wine, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, wine you waste me, girl. You know if you wine, you know if you wine, you know if you wine, wine you waste me, girl.
Look a sexy black girl in a Kingston city with a small waist but too firm. Walk not me but me not too picky. She request the rest we walk with her. She don't want no man to bite it all. And the stamina ramming and no 2 minute quickie. So me tell her me ready no partial or pity. But don't get that she's just a one time thing. Okay, take care of the woman them. Okay.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Take care of the woman them. Look a sexy black girl in a Kingston city with a small waist but too firm. Walk not me but me not too picky. She request the rest we walk with her. She don't want no man to bite it all. And the stamina ramming and no 2 minute quickie. So me tell her me ready no partial or pity. But don't get that she's just a one time thing. Me wife and me yard so me don't want no icky. Love girl in a skirt and itty and bitty. Cut off sleeve blouse she show this. Rise up me heel me no carry ticky ticky. She look on me pants front and city. White have her and moan and grown under. She white talking and tongue with me. She va and a quiver me no joke with it. So tease her and tease her.
Me love all your hips, rock me, love when the girl dem a tick tock. Now I know for the girl dem me know. Hey girl, just check it for me, check it for me. Wind up your body and check it for me. Dash out your loving and check it for me. Yeah, over your so and me love you so, girl. Me love you so, girl. Hey you feel no, that style make me shout out. And the girl dem me love, and the girl dem we love. Wine and jiggle and rock up in a this. Cock up and jack up and catch up in a this. You make them a tick them cock up in a this. Be a gal pack up in a this. Gal for your wine and jiggle and rock up in a this. Cock up and jack up and catch up in a this. You make them a tick them cock up in a this. Be a gal pack up in a this. Baby, you make me slam my mama. So come your mama. Brace your body every gal to mama nana. Get in a spirit gal shout out shalom mama. Number one nana. Gal your waist are cool. So why make me pay this soul? Yes. Girl, I'm me your own. Set like when you paper fool. Girl, for your wine and jiggle. Cock up in a this. Cock up and jack up. Chop in a this. You make them a tick them. Cock up in a this. Be a girl. Cock up in a this. Girl, for your wine and jiggle. Cock up in a this. Cock up and jack up. Chop in a this. You make them a tick them. Cock up in a this. Be a girl. Cock up in a this.
Come, girl.
Good morning.
Come, girl. Take your time with the body, darling. Not another 6:30 because you're back in our bed. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with the jockey. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with this. Girl, you are the one, boy, me baby. Girl, you are the one. Your body hot, so you want a sturdy man. Back it up for the down the journey long. Your body righty, body righty, your body righty. Oh, you're righty. You love it, me love it. You want my wifey. Set it up now. Come, girl. Take your time with the body, darling. Not another 6:30 because you're back in our bed. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. And your body good and me want to touch you. Your body good and that's why me love you. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Back it up with me tip on your tar. Sexy me love that tick for me slaw. Wind up your hip ride rhythm for me slaw. Pretty body mommy pose 6 that me know. For me know fi bubble quick for me now. Squeeze up me body muscle grip for me now. Your body pretty like a Hispanic. Do this for me now. Go twist on the pole. Take your time with the body, darling. Not another 6:30 because you're back in our bed. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for
boy, feel me look bad, sir. Anytime you lend me, no get. Long time you borrow me money, get. You said you don't have it, forgive me. You said that you me took up the money. Judgy party, pulling a tie, kiss the girl and make them cry. When the girl come out to play, judgy party, run away. Why do me love bad side? Anytime you lend me, no get back. Long time you borrow me money. Tell her you say you don't. You say tell her you. Come on, get the maga, me no want. Maga beef. What are the fat beef? Fat beef. You better fling it up.
I used to know a little girl them call Eileen. All the while she tell me that I mean she love. But when me find out, Jama chucky. And when me find out, hurry a sticky. And when me find out, Jana wash. Give me time come now. You have to get it. Matter what it cost me. We know you will get it. The beef in a bag in it. You have to stick it. It cost me money. You have to get it. Turn it around and give me gas. Make you stick it. Beef in a bag in it. You have to get it. The fling it up and give me. Make you stick it. The big and fat the gas. You have to get it. No matter what it cost me. Me want to stick it. It cost me big house. Me want to stick it. It cost me big car. You say me want to stick it. The beef in a bag in it. You have to get it. Eileen, me have to get it. Eileen, me have to stick it. The beef in a bag in it. Me know you will get it. Matter what it cost. You say me know you will get it. It cost me money. You have to stick it. Turn it around and give me gas. Make you joke it. The big and fat beef there. Don't make you joke it. Fling it up and give me gas. Make you stick it. You fling it up and fling it up. I make you joke it. Turn it around and give me gas. I make you stick it. Eileen, Eileen, Eileen. Beef in a bag in it. Me know you will get it. Matter what it cost. You say me know you will stick it. It cost me money. You have to get it.
You know, say, I don't know if you don't know this one, but that one is big. That one is internationally big. Big up to all the people who are drink Lipton tea. Big up to all of the people who have drink some Blue Mountain coffee. You understand? Some coffee from Jamaica, whichever brand it found out of the island from. Big up the item themselves from your consumer Jamaican beverage. Little iced tea. You understand? AKA little wash, little lemonade. Yeah, little lime and water and sugar. Big up the item themselves. Saying, but big up to the people who drink rum. Make that soak in a little bit. Big up to the people who drink cane juice. You understand? Yes. That one you're reaching out to Uno. Again, representing for my Caribbean neighbors them. This is Ravi B. Rum is me lover. It's a Friday morning. Hey, today is Rum Day, Latitude Restaurant Lounge. And I'll be there from about 5 p.m. marshalling the music. So if you're on the island, if you're in Montego Bay, find me in Bogue, Latitude, Restaurant and Lounge. Rum Day!
Rum is my lover, and I don't care. So we drinking today and we drinking forever. Aquila, oh man. Rum is my lover, and I don't care. So we drinking today and we drinking forever. Aquila, oh man. Aquila, oh man.
make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Hey girl, hey girl.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are ramp with? On no game. Anytime you're ready, girl. So me name. The place get wet like in a rain. Then I make you feel high like on a plane. She say I saw the love, the hot baseline sweet and I touch the spot. Dancing, she love do that. Girl, coach the chat. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off. Hey, never see you. Know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off. Hey, never see a girl with a bad song yet. Hey, never see a girl with a bad song yet. Tell me never see a girl like you. You want to see a she a ice and wine, ice and wine. Wind up your body for me one more time. Ice and wine, girl. Your skin smooth and you look so refined. Ice and wine, ice and wine. Love how you flow your waistline. You know sour like a lime. You know juky like a girl on your bad so. Girl on you can wine so. Like you're there upon a whining mission. Girl you must come from the Caribbean. Girl on you shape good so. Hey girl on you sexy so. Girl you're there upon a whining mission. You must come from the Caribbean, baby. She a whining vixen, call her that. Every man want her, she's all that. Reputation good, she's not a harlot. And me like her harlot. When you go on your hand, girl, I will call that. You a flight attendant or pilot. Wind up your body to some Charlie dance.
Sexy in a short shorts, sexy in a dress too. Young and beautiful, that's the proper way to address you. The way how you wind up your body, girl, it look like the sight from a dream, girl. The way how you carry yourself, that's the true life of a queen. The way how you pretty like a body.
That one you pick up all of the big bumper, girl, damn.
Pretty like a body, pretty like a body. Wind up for me, girl, girl, girl. You look so unusual. So wind up for me, girl, you pretty like a body, pretty like a body, pretty like a body.
I listen to you, you roll it down. When you are whining, hold it down. Bend it up, cut it up, fold it down. Rock out, now I control it down. Take the nigga and roll up your bumper. Take the nigga and shake up your room. Take the nigga cause you know say your plumper. Maga girl stiff like tree stone. How we the girl with the big bumper then? How we the girl with the big bumper then? But I wine show them you got to do a big bumper time, yeah.
Girl, I gotta be honest, honest. You squeeze me the nicest, oh my God, it's true. Ooh, I'm blessed to be with you. Your body are the tightest, tightest. Yeah. You possess the thing that make every man want you. Ooh, I'm so blessed to be with you.
It was an absolute joy being here with you this morning. Thank you so much for being my company. Making me your companion as we get you ready for the road. Every weekday, 7 until 10, Roddy for the road. With yours truly, DJ Roddy G. On BlackScorpioEnterprise.com. Over on Twitch, Mixcloud, YouTube, using the handle at DJ RODDYG. And on Facebook, you know the URL, www.facebook.com/dj.roddy.g. This is how we bring the curtains down on this here week's edition of Roddy for the Road. Just about 60 seconds before we get to 10 o'clock. So you don't know. This is how we say have yourself a wonderful Friday and a great weekend. The Almighty willing, we'll be back with you Monday morning for another installment of your favorite morning show, Roddy for the Road. So big up to the ones them on all the platform them. Remember to keep it right here, so BlackScorpioEnterprise.com got your musical programming for the entire weekend, and people remember me telling on a need for check out Black Scorpio Enterprise starting at 11 a.m. on Sundays. Yeah. is not a normal set of selections. You will not be disappointed. JB not normal when it come on to the selection them. JB need a whole dance to play for himself. Yeah, man. So just do the right thing. Continue to support those who love and support you as well. Zine, God bless and keep you. Till next time, Lily Moore.
Tune into Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise. Tune in to Jack Scorpio Live on Thursdays at 12 to 4 p.m., Saturdays at 10 to 2 p.m., and on Sundays 2 to 6 p.m. And tune in also with DJ Roddy G Live, weekdays Mondays to Fridays 7 to 10 a.m. And with JB on Sundays, who plays the classical hits to take you away from 11 to 2 p.m. In addition, want to promote your business, a new single, or anything musical? Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise will feature your ads this